let's crochet the capital letter D. So we're going to start with a slip knot and then chain 16. You can use any yarn you want with the appropriate crochet hook size. So in the video I'm using chunky yarn with the 4.5mm crochet hook. For more details about the pattern, you can read up on the description of this video. After you chain 16, from the second hook, you're going to work a single crochet until the end of the chains. So you should end up with 15 single crochet. And then turn your work, chain 1, and then work single crochet across. So for row number 2, you should end up with 15 single crochet as well. Then turn your work, chain 1, and then work single crochet across. So the same as in the previous 2 rows, we should have 15 single crochet stitches for row number 3. Okay, so turn your work, chain 1, and then work single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then you're going to leave the remaining stitches unworked. Turn your work, chain 1, work single crochet until the end. So you should have 3 single crochet stitches for this row. Turn your work again, chain 1, single crochet across. Again, we end up with 3 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, single stitch in the first stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, and then double crochet in the final stitch. Turn, chain 2, double crochet in the first stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, and single crochet in the last stitch. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. Turn your work, chain 2, double crochet, half double crochet, and then single crochet. turn your work, chain 1, single stitches across. So you will repeat this pattern for 5 rows. So that's rows numbers 11 up to 15. So every time you turn, you have a turning chain of chain 1 and then single stitches across, ending up with 3 single stitches for every row for rows 11 to 15. So turn your work, chain 1, single stitches across, turn your work, single stitches across after your turning chain, and then chain 2, double crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, and then single crochet stitch in the last. Turn, chain 1, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. Turn your work, chain 2, double crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, and single crochet stitch. Turn your work, chain 1, single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, and double crochet stitch. And then in the final 3 stitches, or 3 rows rather, you're going to turn your work, chain 1, and work 3 single crochet stitches. So always chain 1 for your turning chain, and then work single crochet stitches across. So that's rows 20, 21, and 22. And that should be the end of your capital letter D. And then we're going to finish this off. So we need to connect the one part here. You simply get a yarn needle and a bit of the same yarn that we used, and then sew them together. So after sewing them together, you need to fasten things off and weave in ends. And that's your capital letter D. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.